Hey there, I'm Shubhangi Shukla of BPharm first year and I'm proud to be a part of Lloyd School of Pharmacy's family. When I chose Lloyd School of Pharmacy, I didn't just sign up for a career, I signed up for an experience that's both enriching and empowering. The faculty here are not just teachers but mentors who guide us through our way, pushing us to reach our full potential. One of the things I love most about this college is the emphasis on the real-world experience. Through our clinical rotation, one gets to apply classroom knowledge on actual basis, gaining invaluable insights and skills that serve us well in our future. As I look back on my time I have spent so far, I'm filled with gratitude for the friendships I have made, the lessons I have learned, and the experiences that have made into the pharmacist I am today. And for this, I'm forever grateful.